All right, Fuzz Pie Guy here, back again with another video. I was moving around my battery chargers and whatnot, and I noticed one of my batteries swelling up. So I thought just make a video of, give a heads up. You may want to check these every so often, regardless if they're Baofeng batteries or any type of battery that has the potential of swelling up. But anyway, back to this Baofeng battery for the UV5R and others maybe. This one here looks pretty good. I just figured I'd use a level, if I can center this up. And as you can see, there's really no play between the level and the plastic on the battery with that one. And if we get this one in focus, get this one out. This one here looks pretty good. Now if we move over to this guy here, you might not be able to see it very much from the camera, but if we put the level on it, we do have a little bit of wobble there. So you can see the plastic is swelled up a little bit. So that one there can go bye-byes. Now, if we look at this guy here, we can definitely tell the difference here a little bit. And if we put the level on this one, you can see we have a lot more seesawing going on. So that one is definitely swelling up. So it's not good to keep these batteries that are swelled up. I just had a laptop battery. One day it was fine. Next day it was blowed up pretty good. It actually was bulging out the cover. So just be careful. These batteries ain't really meant to be played with. They can definitely explode and catch on fire. So definitely be careful when using these, and especially when they start swelling up. All right, figured I'd just pass along the word, and hopefully it helps somebody out. Good idea maybe to use the level if you're not quite sure how much it is swelling up. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.